In this video, we're going to see if we can make money with Cash App. I'm sure you've heard about it, and if you haven't, then don't worry, we'll go through the whole process. First, search for Cash App on Google. This is an application that's used as a payment service provider. So basically, it's like a cash processing app. You can simply receive and send money when using it, just like PayPal, but they say you can get more for your money on the website. So let's see if we can get more information about this. So instead of paying someone or receiving money, you can get exclusive offers, and this will save you some money. That's only if you shop regularly. Now what I like is they don't have high fees unlike PayPal, and they have a lot of these features that can really come in handy. Now the first thing that catches my eye is that it's very popular. As you can see, it has 50 million downloads on Google Play, and it has a very high rating and has over 2 million reviews, and it nearly has a 5-star rating, which isn't bad. It's the same on the App Store, over 4 million ratings, and again they have nearly 5 stars, which is a great rating in my opinion. But let's see what this really is and how can we make money from it. So when you go to their website and click on those 3 lines, you'll see everything that they have to offer, like send, spend, bank, stocks, Bitcoin and taxes. So for example, if you want to invest in stocks, they allow you to buy the shares for as little as $1. And believe it or not, you can buy stocks for $1 if you only use them as a supplier. And the best part is that you don't have to pay fees, and they won't reduce your profits. Now if you like stocks and you have some experience with it, I highly recommend using this because you can invest as much or as little as you want. You can own smaller shares in a company you want, and this sounds really good. And as you can see, Cash App doesn't take a fee. Not many companies actually do this, and you won't be charged any fees, and your money will move instantly when you buy and sell stocks. Now the interesting part about this is that you can even send the shares. So for example, you have a certain share in a certain company, you can use the app to send it to a family member or a friend, and they have many useful features. They also have an ordering on autopilot option, which means they have their bots which you can use to place a buy or a sell order today.
Oh my God! Wow!
They have alerts and many other useful features. So if you have experience with stocks and know how it works, I highly recommend you to use it. But if you're a beginner, if you don't know anything about it, you should stay away from this until you learn more about it. There are many tutorials online and books that you can read to learn more about stocks if that's something you're interested in. But if you're a beginner, then let's look into something that's easier to achieve. Let's go back to their site. I want to show you this Bitcoin breakdown on Cash App, which is great. Now you all know that Bitcoin and other cryptos have started to recover recently, and things are looking better because last year wasn't too good at all. Now if you look at this information, you can see that Bitcoin is now at over $30,000, and if you check the chart for the last 3 months, it's really good. It went all the way down to around $16,000, but it started gaining demand and rising. So if you want to get into cryptocurrency, now is the time, because I personally think Bitcoin is going at $100,000 in the beginning of 2024. What? This is just my opinion, this isn't financial advice, so do your own research before investing. I've earned a lot with crypto, so it's not that difficult, especially if you only have Cash App. It has many features that you can see. They also have the autopilot feature, which you can use to let the bots do the trading for you. But with stocks, you have to be careful with this one because it's all about activity. You must stay attentive and observe the market. So to be successful and earn a profit, you need to have an understanding of these price movements, and you need to track them closely. You can't just set it and forget about it. There's a strategy called the dollar cost averaging, where you regularly invest a fixed amount like $50 in Bitcoin regardless of its price. This approach can be profitable when Bitcoin's prices rises, but it may not work as well in a bear market when the price goes down. Dollar cost averaging helps you average out your costs over time, and I won't go much into detail, but there's plenty of useful information online. You can search for tutorials, blog posts and examples of mid-price purchases to learn more, and once you understand the concept, you can apply it to cryptocurrencies as well. But if you are a beginner and don't have a lot of money to invest, then stay away from this. It's a good app, but only if you have experience. But if you don't have it, I'll stay away from it. Now let's move on to something else, but this is a little more time consuming, but you can still make money from it. So this is a feature similar to the regular referral program. So you can invite people and you can get paid for it. It's not a lot of money, but if you work on it, it can be an alright side hustle. For instance, you and your friend could both get bonuses when they use the Cash App referral code. So what you want to do is tap on the profile icon where you download download the app on your phone and you can just enter your referral code in their profile like a debit card, and you will both get paid. So you can get paid from $5 to $15. But to be honest, we have maybe 15 to 25 friends that we can refer. So for example, if you have 20 friends and you earn an average of, let's say, $10, which equals to $200, and that's it, you can't scale it further. But I found another more interesting and better way, and it's going to take some hard work though. It will take some time and energy to scale it, and why not do it since they are paying, right? Everyone can get cash app bonuses, and you can get $5, they can get $5 to $15 actually altogether. Now let's move on to another level. Let's go and check this on YouTube. If I just type cash app review, you'll see a lot of these different reviews, and you can see that people are actually looking at them. Just for example, look at this one, 200,000 views, and this has over 250,000 views. So it's a popular app because it's search based. So let's say for example, I want to get cash app or Skrill or Payoneer, and then I'll go to YouTube. If I just look for something, I'll go to YouTube to see other people's reviews, comments, thoughts, opinions. So people are going to see the review that someone did, and if they decide to download and use cash app, if they like the features, they'll just go to the description and click on this link, which of course will be a referral link. So for example, I click on this video and there's no need to watch it. We go down to the description, you will see this link, and now this isn't just any link. This link here, well, you guessed it, it's an affiliate link for this person. And of course, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to make a video, and you don't need to record your face. Your voice or anything is not necessary. You can create a faceless video on it, and you can use something like screen recording software. For example, you could use OBS Studio. It's really good and it's really easy to use. So what you can do is just make a certain video about Cash App, just list all the features, and then you can just turn it into a faceless YouTube video, because people are actually looking for it and searching for it. And every time someone searches for it and lands on your video, they click on it, and who knows how many affiliates you could get. And the best part is that it will work worldwide. If you want to try it, you can. For example, go to Google Trends and you can type the keyword Cash App. And if you do that, you will see in the worldwide section, over the last 12 months, there is a decent search volume, but that's a web search. But if I click here and scroll down to YouTube search, which is also a Google Trends feature, you'll see the volume is better. And of course, use tools like TubeBuddy to check it out directly on YouTube. But you can see on Google Trends that it's doing good. Around 60% is not bad. It's just been increasing in the previous months. And as I mentioned earlier, you don't have to use Cash App reviews only. You can do it with many online tools. You can use Payoneer, Skrill, PayPal, and then you can simply scale it. There's no need to have thousands of views to make money. Imagine if you just get 500 people through this video. That's it. Your hard work has paid off, because 500 people for $5 is $2,500. And that's just from one video, one review on YouTube. You don't even need to be monetized. Because check this out, 10,000 views for this person, but he's showing his face. So let me try and find someone that doesn't show his face, like this guy. I mean, this is insane. He's not showing his face, and this was most probably done on a phone. Yep, it was done on a mobile phone, maybe with a voiceover, and just look at the views. See what I'm talking about? This is actually insane. You probably won't reach that number, but you don't have to. This person was most probably one of the first to do the review and got lucky with so many views. So it's actually quite easy to do. Just record your screen, create reviews, and share them on YouTube. You don't need to rely on monetization from YouTube itself. Instead, you can focus on getting traffic to your videos and use affiliate links to earn money. It's something that you can achieve. So what are you waiting for? And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.